Hello everyone! In this video we are going to talk about new ads manager on Facebook. We're going to review it and see which button right now located where, and we're going to see how to find your way on the new ads manager menu. First of all, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer. If you have any questions in the end of this video, you can shoot me an email to the email address that you see right now. By now, most of us already have the new Ads Manager menu, and it looks like this. I'm in my Ads Manager. As you can see, my search field is different, my time filter is different, everything looks a little bit different. So we're going to start with our search menu. Right now our search is located on our left. I think it was located on our left, it just wasn't looking like that. We still have all the options available to us, and we do still have our filters right here. Everything that we had previously, we still have it here. If you want to select any of our campaigns, we just go ahead and do it, and by clicking on filter we still have the option filter by selection, so it's still there. If I want to add anything manually, I can just click on the plus sign right here and then go ahead and choose whatever option you want from this. So everything pretty much stays the same here. Our time filter here is also at the same place, and we also have all of those options that we had previously. We can choose to filter it by 7 days, 14 days, and so on. Our publishing button right here stays the same. Discard to draft, still the same. Our account overview tab is a little bit different. We have more information here that we had previously. Right now you can see the insights of your account, depends on the data that you choose, of course. Let's choose lifetime data. That way we can see our data here. It's basically a graph. We can play with it however we want. Learning phase and performance warning. We don't have any of those here. Here we can choose whatever we want to see on the graph. If we want to see a website leads, or if we want to see any other information, it's available right here. Also, we can see our targeting ages, hourly reach, and our location. So that's the data that we have, and then the general data for our account, which we can play with by using columns menu, breakdown, or we can extract by using a report button. This all pretty much stays the same, except the addition of all of those graphs. The one thing that is actually changed right now, and perhaps it will take time until we will get used to that, is our menu right here. When we click on our left, we did have all of those categories that you remember that they were filling in all of our screen. Right now it's really simple, it's small, and it's just on our left. I find it uncomfortable for now, at least, since I'm not used to this new look. But I can click here on expand menu, and then I can receive all of this. I still find it not that comfortable since I need to scroll down to see all of my categories. When before I actually could see all of my categories on one screen, right now I need to scroll down to just look for something. So for example, I was struggling to find where is my pixel right now, and as it turns out, the pixel menu is now called Event Manager. So if you're going to click on Event Manager, you are going to get to your regular pixel menu. Not much changed here, so thank God for that, but yes, it's now called Event Manager. Billing is still the same. Now we have brand safety here and store locations, so this is new. For advertising category, we have Ads Manager, Ad Account Setting, Audience, Creative Hub, and Automated Rules. So if you're working with any of those, you now know how to find it. Automated Rules is very comfortable to have it right here. Audiences, if we want to create lookalike or a custom audience, we can do it from here, obviously. And Creative Hub, if we want to collaborate while we're creating our ad preview. Analyze and reports, we have it right here, our audience insights right here, and our analytics right here. Engage customers, page posts, we can actually go to our page post right now from here and sell products and services. So Commerce Manager and Catalog Manager is from here. One interesting thing that is changed here is also a campaign creation. When I click on create, I'm getting this small window where I need to choose my objective, and then they don't really let me to choose naming for my ad set or ad. I can just totally miss that step and then continue naming it when I'm already created my campaign. So all you have to do is just choose your objective. But if you want to expand it, just click on this arrow and you can name each level of your campaign. Let's just test it out. So let's test it. As I said, I don't need to name any of those, so let's click continue. And as you can see, I'm getting the same window as I used to for my campaign creation, but in this case, I can actually see 3 levels of my campaign, ad set, and ads directly from my campaigns tab. I'm not sure that it's too comfortable for me to work like that. I still like to be able to switch between tabs, but that's the option that they have right now, and Facebook is actually very proud of it because I see it a lot on their pages. They show this option to everyone. Right now I don't see that it's open, but yes, that's how we can see our campaign sometimes. But just let's see, clicking on edit. Right now I'm not able to get this, but sometimes we can see our ad set and ads right here from the campaign tab. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Let me know what do you think about new Ads Manager menu, if you like it or if you find it less comfortable for you. Let's discuss it in the comment section.